A flashing too light indicator on a Shark battery can be caused by several issues, including blockages in the vacuum, a low battery charge, or incorrect battery positioning. To resolve this problem, start by checking the vacuum's hose and brush roll for any obstructions, such as debris or hair, and clear them out. This is a safety feature that triggers the too light flash when blockages are detected. Additionally, ensure the battery is properly positioned if it has been removed. It may not be reinserted correctly. To fix this, remove the battery cover, take out the batteries, and then carefully return them to their sockets, making sure they are securely attached to the terminals. If the issue persists, try recharging the batteries by connecting the correct charger to the vacuum and then to a power source, waiting until they are fully charged. However, if the problem continues after recharging, it may be necessary to replace the batteries with new ones. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue causing your Shark battery to flash two lights.